TrueSeaMoss, which I had the TrueSeaMoss gel and I couldn't really stomach it, to be honest. I don't know if it was a textural thing. I don't know. But these are the gummies. And let's see. These are the elderberry gummies. Oh, I love elderberry. Excuse me. See, maybe I need elderberry now because it's purported to boost your immunity. Definitely boost your immunity. Sea moss, elderberry, bladderwrack, and burdock. Fabulous. 60 gummies. Kids 5+ take 1 gummy. For adults, take 2. All right. But really, it's all about the taste test, right? Because for gummies, we eat gummies because we don't want to swallow pills. And it's actually like my treat of the day. A gummy for me can be like my little dessert. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells like elderberry. Oh, they're bears. They're so cute and squishy. These are fresh. Oh, yeah. All right, I'll take my 2. Those are good. Highly recommend. So this is a month's supply if it's just you. Made in the USA. Vegan. It doesn't taste vegan. It tastes really good. It tastes like it's actually gelatin. Those are delicious.